here we are. Here we come to the elevators at the Koffler building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. These are US elevators that have vandal resistant fixtures. See, this is a US indicator, but the inside has vandal resistant fixtures.
That's this over here is a service car.
Yeah. I've tried to get it, but it never. There. I've tried to get it, but it never came.
Yeah, it requires a key to do it.
Yep. Let's go up to 5. Door closes when you push the button. Indicator looks to be mostly burned out. Hope 3 works. Four works. 5 works. So just the 2 is burned out. No really classic leveling, but you can hear the generator, GL interlock, and I can feel the wind from the service car might be moving. GL Manufacturing Corp, GL interlock. Let's go down to 2. Installed 1991, capacity 2,500 pounds. Fire service, US elevator fire service, and vandal resistant fixtures. ADA compliant foam. And here we are on 2. No classic leveling, unfortunately. Maybe a little, but that's not much at all. Here's the bell, and here it goes. And that's it.